welcome to my channel. Let's Macel. I saw the grasshopper. What is this, baby?
What?
What's this animals?
Deer?
And grasshopper?
Yes, a grasshopper.
Grasshopper, look. It's in our truck. The grasshopper is in our truck. While we are in the corn. I'll have some corn here. I harvest some corn already. See? I harvest some corn. Yeah. And the grasshopper is in our truck. See? Still there. While I'm harvesting corn, the grasshopper is in our farm. Yeah. Here we are. Gonna harvest, okay?
You got enough, baby?
Yes. I harvest.
That deer's still back there.
I harvest corn here. See? I harvest. Magsugba na ta! Magsugba! Magsugba na tag mais! Yes. I harvest already some corn there. See? Ang sarap na niyang anagon, mga sis. And I think the grasshopper is still here. See? The grasshopper is still there. Yeah, it's too big grasshopper. He's still there. Hey grasshopper, welcome to my channel.
Hey, man.
You're moving?
Shot it, we got it in full corn, man. Corn.
Yeah, the grasshopper is moving in the truck. Thank you for watching, grasshopper. See, that's the corn I got today. A big one corn. Lagain ko yung corn at saka magsugba. Look, the grasshopper. Thank you for watching.
Full of chiggers and everything else out here. But I'll bring you some in. I'll bring you 5 or 10 ears. Come on, baby.
Who is that?
Get that and let's go. It's Chuck.
Okay. Look, the grasshopper. The grasshopper is there.